Family jaga pentorum kra constituency ba hek hanek sngi habai kren kinong thok khubor ha office trai kam jong ka BJP ulayatu ba ka BJP kampat shim ya ka rai ka ba khadu ha ka bai dei bu Kyrtong jong ka ba kin pynieng ya ka Ilekshon Shiteng samoi sha Lok Sabha na Shillong parliamentary constituency ha ba kren chikilat pathai khubor ba hek ulapan pau ba ka jingya kren hapo jaga seng kidang ya shakman chu ula ong ba ka to ka ningut ki Kyrtong ki kwa e banikhun ya ka Ilekshon Shiteng samoi hanrai ka seng kampat la ban pentikena ya ka Kyrteng hanrai shen kan sakot ik jingyalang bat ban perkhat sani halor ka ne kakam ban penmi ya u Kyrtong ula ongro ba ka seng kanam ai jing kyrshan ya kano ka seng ha ka ne ka by election hanrai kan penmi hi ya la u jong u Kyrtong u ban yakhun ya ka ne ka Ilekshon Shiteng samoi na Shillong parliamentary seat.
So, from the party point of view, we are also discussing this to set up the candidate for the by-election, for the MP by-election, Shillong seats.
So, do you have candidate for?
We have candidate. We have so many candidates are there.
We have so many candidates.
Yeah, so many candidates are there, but now we have not decided. We have not decided to fill for the contesting for this by-election.
So by when the party is likely to
very soon we will sit. We'll already been informed to the respected president also of BJP in Meghalaya to call the meeting to discuss about this by-election.
Do you want to support the MPP or the common candidate?
We will have our own. If we have to contest, we'll contest our own candidate only. We will not be supporting any candidate.
So supporting MPP during 2024. Has it caused any problem for the party with regards to workers and all, whether they remain with the party or they shifted? How was the thing?
No, that is the instruction came from the central leadership. We have to follow whatever the central leadership has given us the instructions.
But are you pressing on the central leadership for contesting this election?
We'll be informed to them also for the by-election. After the meeting.
Are you bringing a new fresh face in this upcoming by-election from the party? Or are you fielding some party workers?
That's why we are under discussion. We'll be discussing, we'll have the meeting. After the meeting, we'll decide.
Suppose now if there is a proposal from the MDA itself, since you are part of the MDA, so that you will feel a common candidate by the MDA. So how will BJP do this? Will they support that candidate?
From MDA, we will go with whatever the central leadership will give us the instruction. But from us, the BJP of Meghalaya will contest of our own.
You leave it to the center. It means you leave it to the center.
Yeah. Pardon?
You leave it to the center to decide.
Yeah, that is only if you have to support any other political party. If it is a decision from the Meghalaya, we'll decide of our own. And we'll set up our own candidate.
From state BJP Meghalaya, we would prefer to contest the elections. As it is, we have been contesting all the elections. But of course, if there are any instructions that has come from the central leadership, then we will abide by that instruction.
That's right.
Thank you.